is my pork, washed and clean, and I'm about to season with some garlic, chicken seasoning, some jerk powder seasoning, scallion and thyme, onion, and my soya sauce. So let's get into it. Put my seasoning up. I've added some of the chicken seasoning already. I'm gonna add my jerk seasoning. Some of my soya sauce. And mixing. I'm gonna allow this to soak. So I'm gonna put it up to soak until I'm ready to use it, so that all my seasonings and flavors go inside. Yep. Alright, I've seasoned it and had put it in the freezer for a few days because I wanted all the seasoning to soak to soak inside before I cook it. So I'm going to use oven roast it in the oven. Yep, well seasoned up and thing. You see that? So I'm gonna grease my pan is in the oven heating. Wow, that heat. So you know, using the remainder of I have a little stick butter remaining, so I'm just using it to grease the tin. It's very hot, so you have to be careful doing this part. Now that it's greased, I'm greasing it so that the pork don't stick. Yeah, me a long time me a cook, so you know the pot can shine and all of them things. Anyways, so I'm going to place my pork on the sheet. Look like you have all of this seasoning. Let's spread it all over. Share it with the other cast. Put some here also. Another one here. Another one here. Last but not least, so you know, my pan is filled with my pork. I have like a seasoning left too. You didn't have to cut the seasoning like me, you could have blended, but I like when my seasoning cut, so I use it this way. I can show you guys another technique with the blended seasoning if you like. Yeah, but for now we're using the cut up ones. So ensure all of the seasoning is spread evenly. And I'll be back. I'm gonna put it in the oven now. Whoa, the heat on my feet. Careful, I'm gonna put it in the oven. My heat is at 240. Yep, so you can slow roast. This is the first time I'm taking it out after 20 minutes. So they can cook evenly. Added a little water, and I'm gonna set it back in the oven to cook for another half an hour on this side. Oh, this is the finished product. Let's see. See? Easily taken off. For you again. You see that? See? That's amazing, yo.